Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhareshwar, Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 8 maths. Student, how is your paper? It's good, na? Some student not attempt all the questions. Next time, attempt all the question and see the video carefully. Okay? If you see the video, then you have idea what type of questions are comes. Okay, now our fourth chapter, that is practical geometry, it's completed, but now short revision is there because your exams are running out. So I am not started a new chapter, that's why I am revise chapter number 4, that is practical geometry. Student, in previous chapter means quadrilateral, we learn about quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Four sides closed figure is called quadrilateral. Okay, four side closed figure is called quadrilateral, and we learn some type of quadrilateral, that is parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezium, kite, and so on. Okay, and we learn the properties of these quadrilaterals. Okay, some quadrilaterals are called parallelogram, such as rectangle, rhombus, square, and parallelogram. Why it is called parallelogram? Because they have exactly two pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so exactly two pairs of opposite sides are parallel, so it is called parallelogram. Trapezium and kite are called quadrilateral. Okay, understand? So in end we I show you family of quadrilateral. Okay, in a family of quadrilateral, one type of parallel one is parallelogram and another is trapezium. Trapezium is a special type of quadrilateral because it having only one, and one pair is one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel, it's called trapezium. And another pair, if another pair is equal, then it is called isosceles trapezium. Okay, understand? Now इन अ प्रैक्टिकल ज्योमेट्री हम पढ़ेंगे कि हम ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स को कंस्ट्रक्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं. हाउ टू कंस्ट्रक्ट ट्रायंगल, क्वाड्रिलेटरल. इन 7th स्टैंडर्ड यू लर्न हाउ टू कंस्ट्रक्ट ट्रायंगल. Okay, because we learn in 7th standard all the properties of triangle, then we learn how to construct the triangle. Now since now this in this class we learn how to construct quadrilateral. Okay, constructing a quadrilateral, if you want to construct any quadrilateral, then you have to given, we shall learn what is given, then you have easily construct quadrilateral. Then constructing a quadrilateral, to construct a unique quadrilateral, at least 5 elements are required. Quadrilateral are constructed by splitting up the figure into two triangles. Okay, and quadrilateral has 10 parts in all. 4 sides, 4 angle, 2 diagonals. How many parts are there? Total 10 parts. See, 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonal. Okay, to construct a quadrilateral we need at least 5 parts which are specific out of 10. ओके, मतलब अगर हमें क्वाड्रिलेटरल को कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है तो एटलीस्ट हमें 5 पार्ट्स पता होना चाहिए. वी हैव टू नो 5 पार्ट्स, देन एंड देन वी easily construct the quadrilateral. Okay, so when we construct the quadrilateral, see here, construction of quadrilateral when 4 side and 1 diagonal are given. See here, 5 हो गए, 4 sides and 1 diagonal. When 2 diagonal and 3 sides are given, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, when 3 sides and 2 included angle are given, or when other special properties are known. What is other special properties? We know that in a quadrilateral diagonals are perpendicular in some quadrilateral diagonals are perpendicular bisector. In some type of quadrilateral, diagonal are bisector of each other. Okay, and in some quadrilateral, opposite angles are equal. In some quadrilateral, adjacent angle are equal. In some quadrilateral, in a kite, we know that in a kite, diagonal intersect at 90 degree. Okay, so this is our special properties. Okay, understand? Let's see. So student, let's see how to construct a quadrilateral when the length of four sides and a diagonal are given. Okay, then how to construct a quadrilateral? See here, if four sides are given, construct a quadrilateral. Example number 1, construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RS 5 and PS 5.5 cm and PR is 7 cm. Okay, so first of all, whenever it's given construction of quadrilateral, in a construction of quadrilateral, first of all you have to draw rough sketch, and if you draw rough sketch, it is very easy to construct. Okay, so you can get idea how to construct this quadrilateral. Okay, understand? So if you want to draw if you want to construct any quadrilateral, first of all you have to draw a rough sketch. Okay, understand? Now so you can get idea how to draw a quadrilateral. Okay, a rough sketch will help us to visualizing the quadrilateral. We draw these first and mark the measurement. Okay, now you can easily see here one diagonal means PR is given, all the four sides are given. Okay, now first of all you can see here two triangles is गिवन. ओके, आपको यहाँ पर दिख रहे हैं दो ट्रायंगल बन रहे हैं. डायगोनल जब कट कर रहा है तो टू ट्रायंगल्स हमें यहाँ पर दिख रहे हैं. ओके, सो हम इसे अगर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम वो डायगोनल 7 सेंटीमीटर की लाइन सेगमेंट बनाएं और उसके बाद में ऊपर वाला ट्रायंगल बना लें और नीचे वाला ट्रायंगल बना लें तो हमारा क्वाड्रिलेटरल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट कैन यू डू in this situation? First of all, what can you do? So let's see. From the rough sketch, it is easy to see that triangle PQR can be constructed using SSS. Means हमें तीनों sides given है. Okay, construction condition means if three sides are given, we can construct a triangle PQR. Okay, so first of all, draw a line of 7 centimeter. We can draw a line, this line with the help of scale. You can draw a line 7 centimeter. Okay, now it is easy to see what is given. The length of PQ is 4 centimeter. So with the help of with P as a center and radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc. Okay, now with R is a center and taking 6 centimeter radius and draw and cut this arc. This is your point Q. Okay, so it's become PQR. Okay, now we have located the fourth point S. अब हमारे पास 3 पॉइंट आ गए P, Q and R. Okay, we know that PQR, PQ is 4 centimeter, QR is 6 centimeter and PR, that is our diagonal, is 7 centimeter. Okay, now taking P as a center. Okay, and what is the difference between P and S? That is 5.5 centimeter and R and S, that is 5 centimeter. Okay, taking P as a center and draw an arc as a 5.5 centimeter. Okay, and another arc R as a center and draw an arc, that is PR. Okay, and PS and RS, and this is your point S. Okay, join PR and PS and RS, and this is your required quadrilateral. Okay, understand? So whenever it is given 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, then you have to draw first rough sketch and see. If the diagonal are given, then it is very easy to draw any quadrilateral, because diagonal cuts this that quadrilateral into 2 triangles. Okay, so in 7th standard you already studied how to draw a triangle. Okay, and with the help of that you have to complete when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given quadrilateral. Okay, understand? Now what is our second case? In our second case, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, if both diagonals is given and only 3 sides is given, then what can you do? First of all, you have to draw a rough sketch. Okay, understand? Because rough sketch is help you how to construct a quadrilateral. Okay, understand? Now here see this rough sketch, AC and BD is a diagonal of 5.5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. AD is given 5.5 centimeter, DC is given 5 centimeter, and BC is given 4.5 centimeter. Understand? So you can first you can draw rough sketch, so it is easy to draw. Okay, now see here, you can easily see here ABC. If you see this triangle ABC, then in this triangle see AC is given and BC is given. Okay, so and here if you talk about this triangle, in this triangle all the sides are given. Okay, this 5.5, 5.5 and 5. Okay, so first we can draw, because 3 sides are given, so हम पहले क्या draw कर लेंगे? ADC. Okay, so first draw ADC. AC is 5.5 centimeter, and taking A as a center and radius 5.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Okay, and C as a center, taking 5 centimeter radius and cut that arc. This is your point D. This is your point D. Okay, so this is your triangle ADC. Okay, this is your triangle ADC. Now let's again see ADC is completed. Okay, this portion will be completed. Now we have to complete that portion. Okay, so in that portion it is given BC is 4.5 centimeter. So you can draw D as a center and taking radius 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc opposite to D. Okay, because D जो है वो D से कैसा है? अपोजिट है. ओके, सो C एज अ सेंटर 4.5 सेंटीमीटर का आपको रेडियस लेना है और ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, नाउ C D टू B, D से B का भी आपको दिया हुआ है, डेट इज 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो टेकिंग D एज अ सेंटर एंड ड्रॉ एन कट दैट आर्क, मतलब जो आपको आर्क आपने 4.5 सेंटीमीटर का खींचा है C से, उस आर्क को आपको कट करना है, और उस आर्क को कट करके आपका कौन सा पॉइंट आएगा? डेट इज़ योर पॉइंट B. ओके, सो इट्स योर रिक्वायर्ड quadrilateral. Okay, understand? So you can easily draw this type of quadrilateral. When 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are known, if 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, then what can you do? How to construct a quadrilateral? See, construct a quadrilateral MIST, where MI is given, IS is given, angle M, angle I, angle S. आपको 3 एंगल्स दिए हुए हैं और हमें कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, और 2 एडजेसेंट साइड दी हुई है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट यू ड्रॉ अ रफ स्केच MIST. ओके, ऑलवेज नेम द quadrilateral in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Okay, if you write that in the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, so it is easy to see. Okay, MIST, so MI is given and IS is given. Okay, and 3 angles are given, and you student in a quadrilateral, here a rough sketch. Okay, how do you locate the point? What choice do you make? See here, अगर आप 3.5 सेंटीमीटर लेना चाहते हैं 3.5 सेंटीमीटर ले लो पहले, एम आई इज इक्वल टू 3.5 सेंटीमीटर, या आप आई एस लेना चाहते हो तो आई एस लेकर के भी आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट एम आई इज इक्वल टू 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ 105 डिग्री का एंगल मैंने आप लोगों को बताया हुआ है कि आप किस टाइप से एंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे. अगर आपके पास में कोई 90 डिग्री का एंगल अगर आपको ड्रॉ करना है या 60 डिग्री का एंगल ड्रॉ करना है, फर्स्ट तो आप क्या करेंगे, ड्रॉ एन आर्क. ओके, नाउ वो रेडियस को आपको चेंज नहीं करना है. दिस इज योर 60 डिग्री, 120 डिग्री एंड 180 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ हियर 30 एंड सॉरी, हियर योर, जस्ट मिनट, it's your 60, 120 and 90. Here your 90 degree, it's your 30 degree. Okay, 90 and 120 के बीच में आपका आएगा 105 डिग्री. Okay, so first what do you do? Draw an arc with the center is I. Okay, so draw arc and draw 90 degree angle. First you can easily draw 90 degree. Okay, and when you draw 90 degree angle, then 90 and 180 के बीच में आपका क्या आएगा, 105 डिग्री. दिस इज योर 105 डिग्री. ओके, सो ड्रॉ अ लाइन. अब आपने बड़ी सी लाइन खींच देनी है. अब आई को सेंटर लेकर के आपको 6.5 सेंटीमीटर का रेडियस लेना है एंड कट दैट लाइन. अगर आपने ये लाइन को कट किया तो देखिए आपको हमें कौन सा पॉइंट मिल जाएगा. दिस इज योर 6.5, दैट इज एस. ओके, 1 पॉइंट मिल गया. अब एस को आपको इसको कैसे कर लेना है, थोड़ा सा टर्न कर लेना है पेज को टर्न करके आपको क्या करना है, अब एस पर आपको 120 डिग्री का एंगल बनाना है. 120 डिग्री अगेन, जहाँ पर भी आपको 120 डिग्री एंगल बनाना है आप क्या करेंगे, आर्क बनाएंगे. 60 सेकेंड वाला आपका होगा 120. डोंट चेंज द रेडियस. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड, कंपास की रेडियस आपको चेंज नहीं करनी है. ओके, दिस इज योर 120 डिग्री, दिस इज योर 60 डिग्री. ओके, सो दिस टाइप यू हैव टू ड्रॉ 120 डिग्री. ये 60 एंड 120, सो ये वाला एंगल आपका कितना हो गया, 60 डिग्री. ओके, ड्रॉ अ लाइन. नाउ व्हाट कैन यू डू, नाउ यू हैव टू मेक 75 डिग्री एंगल. कहाँ बनाना है आपको, एम पर, क्योंकि एंगल एम इज गिवन, दैट इज 75 डिग्री. ओके, so you have to draw 60 and 90, and 90 के बाद में 90 और 60 के बीच में आएगा आपका 75 डिग्री. ओके, एंड आपको ये लाइन को आगे तक बढ़ा देना है और ये यहाँ पर जहाँ मिलेगी वो आपका टी पॉइंट होगा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड, सो इट इज़ योर रिक्वायर्ड क्वाड्रिलेटरल. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट. सो दिस टाइप यू हैव टू ड्रॉ एनी क्वाड्रिलेटरल. नाउ फोर्थ केस, when 3 sides and 2 included angle are given. When 3 side and 2 included angle given, then what can you do? So in this case भी आप कोई भी साइड को ले सकते हैं और जो एंगल दिए हुए हैं उस साइड पर आपको देखना है कि कौन सा एंगल दिया हुआ है, कहाँ पर हमें कितने डिग्री का एंगल ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, सो whatever is given and what you have to construct, it is very important. Okay, so first of all draw a rough sketch and draw the quadrilateral. It's very easy. And what is the next condition? Next condition is our fifth, that is fifth condition. What is fifth? Fifth condition is our when other special properties are known. What is other special properties? If it is given, draw a square. Okay, or draw a square or one side is given, or draw a rhombus or one side is given, then you can easily draw, because you know in a square and in a rhombus all sides are equal. Okay, so you can easily draw this type of quadrilateral. Understand? Okay, so you can remember all the properties of quadrilateral, then you can easily draw the any quadrilateral when 5 elements are given. Okay, in some case you can see only one side is given and diagonal are given, then you can see, say ma'am, only one side is given, then how can I draw the quadrilateral? So first सी व्हाट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ. वहाँ पर क्या दिया हुआ है? रोम्बस है, स्क्वायर है. अगर स्क्वायर है तो ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल, अगर रोम्बस है तो ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल. ओके, अगर कोई दो साइड दी हुई है और वहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है इट इज़ अ रेक्टेंगल और इट इज़ अ पैरेललोग्राम, मीन्स यू हैव टू नो इट्स in a rectangle and in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and equal, so you can easily draw that quadrilateral. Okay, understand? Okay student, so 5 measurement can determine a quadrilateral uniquely. Okay, which 5 element? या आपको 4 sides दी हो और 1 diagonal दिया हो. Okay, 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, or if 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are known, or if 3 sides and 2 included angle are given, then you can easily draw any quadrilateral. Okay, understand? So student, best of luck of your next exam and have a good day.